We're on to recipe number 2, which is this Manitoba turkey ham and pineapple sandwich. It already sounds amazing, probably gonna taste absolutely amazing. So how do we make this?
Absolutely. So this is a great, simple recipe, perfect for lunch, but so flavorful. So first thing we want to start off with is actually making it uniquely Manitoban. So this is a spin off of a classic Hawaiian sandwich, which typically is some meat, some cheese, and pineapple.
Okay.
But we're making it Manitoban. So with our special ingredient, want to guess what this is?
I think it might be some honey dill business in there.
Got it, absolutely.
Right. Cool, okay.
So this is what's going to make it super Manitoban for us here. So I'm just gonna add our honey dill sauce to our bowl.
Okay.
Along with our petite cut pineapple.
You can buy it like that, or is this fresh?
This is fresh. This was chopped just earlier today.
Wow, Amanda.
I know.
Okay, right on.
So
I mean, fresh is always great if you can
absolutely.
get it or you have the time.
Yes, I preferred it with fresh when we were recipe testing, as it's just not as liquidy, so our sandwich isn't as messy. So
looks fabulous.
That is what we're doing with our sauce.
Honey dill, pineapple, yeah, totally. That's a good compliment.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And then we're going to take a submarine or a hoagie bun, different stores call them different things, and we're just gonna put a nice smear of mustard on either side, so just to prepare our bun here, nice and simple. And then on both sides, we are going to add some cheese.
And is this what kind of cheese is that?
This is Swiss cheese, which is absolutely delicious and melty. We're doing it on both sides because we like cheese here. And then we are going to go to the star of the show over here, which is our Butterball Extra Lean Turkey Ham.
Yeah, this is a super cool product that you folks have.
Absolutely. So this is a heat and eat product. So it's already cooked fully throughout. So you could eat it like this, no heat needed, or you can cook it. But this is just one of Butterball's many great products that you can use with turkey other than just your traditional turkey wraps, right?
And you just slice it up.
Slice it up and it's very flavorful.
Okay.
And then we're going to add our pineapple and our honey dill.
Wow.
So just a few spoonfuls here.
Very curious about this.
Oh, it is flavorful.
Okay.
Perfect.
And of course, we've got this one already roaring here on your
We can just take
maker.
a look over there.
Yeah?
Wonderful. So, I will just take it out. Yep, that is
Is
perfect.
that done?
Right, so we just press it into the panini press for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the model. Ooh, look at that cheese.
It's working.
It's working.
It's doing what it's supposed to do.
It's working. So while you do that, I'm just gonna place this one into the pan and I'll let you cut our sandwich right there.
So we're gonna, are you want to close this up and
I'll
get
do that.
Because I mean, am I sharing with you?
We are gonna share,
Oh,
absolutely. Well,
okay.
I'm making a mess here, but that's okay.
Yeah, so these things are like, they're awesome, but they're a little bit of a, there you go.
Here we go.
Come on,
You just have to be.
Okay, here we go. So we're just going to, let's see what this looks like after it's all, hey, ta-da. Okay, fantastic. So again, you can get this product, all over the place.
Absolutely.
Okay, fantastic. So are we ready to give this a try
I'm
or
really
what?
excited.
Okay, all right, cool. So we're going on vacation next actually to Brazil and really looking forward to that. We're gonna make a turkey sausage galinada. Do I have that right?
Yes, you do.
All right, when we come back on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
Cheers.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods.